Diaz, boleh mengenai pasti tadi Martin. Martin Altoid, amai tidak diteki. Shot. Rebound kehadiran Arif Kusudo now. Kini Perry shot. Rebound kehadiran Kusudo now. Kusudo balik shot. Dapat spasial para saya. And now Arif tulang Tena Pumate Martinao Tuan attacking. Isa na Diaz ang konsisiner. Diaz Santayana now. Tekol by Arif Kusudo now. Tuan isa na Arif. And now Arif Pumate Kiki now. And now Alip crossing to the midcourt. Alip now to the Tena. To Alip pass to Marte. Marte now. Diaz getting the shot. And now Kusudo. In the 3-point territory. The court general. Pass to Kiki. Back to Kusudo. Kusudo now. To Hako the 3. Shot. Rebound Dantayana now control the ball. Isang Dantayana tinggal sa Kusudo. Tekol by Kiki. Isang Kiki now control the ball. Position na midcourt. Kiki to the court general. Kusudo attacking. And now Arif to the 3-point territory. Isa na Arif now to Marte. To Dantayana to Marte. Marte now to Diaz. Isang Diaz to Marte. 8 seconds to shoot. Dantayana out. Rebound kehadiran Kusudo. To Arif. Isang Arif now attacking. Shot. Rebound kehadiran Marcelo. Marcelo now to kehadiran Marte. Isang Marte now attacking kehadiran. Rebound kehadiran Arif. Arif now attacking. Berapa Diaz. Oleh itu Porto naman ang dalawa ang pakakay ng Isay. And now Kiki to Kusudo. Signal the play. Pasok Kiki now. Kiki the shot. Out. Kiki ng Diaz. Makikisilong lang na rin. Tapos sa delay. Kaya kita kaliwan. And now Arif to Kusudo. Kusudo now. In the 3-point territory. Ethan Kusudo. Terpasok ini. Perry the shot. Kemudian Arif. Arif now control. Ethan Arif. Arif now terus. Kusudo now. Kusudo. Perry Marte. 6-2. Dan apa pengalaman yang barangkali kena saya. And now Arif to Dantayana. Dantayana pass to Marcelo. Marcelo now. Arif. Jadi. Marcelo, isang kalamangan ng barangay Barasay. And now Martin to Arik. Isang Arik now signal the play. Pass to Diaz. Diaz out of the ball. Tapos sa Marcelo. Marcelo now pass to Arik. Arik out the play. Shot. Rebound battle ng Kusudo. Kusudo now. Ito tatlo ang kalamangan ay 6 minutes for the ball. And now Dantayana now. Training territory. Pass to Arik. Diaz. Shot. Rebound battle ng Kiki. Pass. Kiki now. To Kusudo. Arif to Dantayana now to Marte to Diaz. Tama now attacking shot. Rebound ng Kusudo. Kusudo to Arif to Kiki. Papasok Ilaw na. mo lang, ilaw mo lang, sisigaw mo. Yan. 12-5, pito, ang alangan ng Barangay Palansay, Alec Lesna Pising! 5 minutes for the first quarter, for the fourth game tonight. And ang studio, Kiki, Pinansay, and ang tantaya, tuwalik, yan ito ang defense territory. Alitaw, Nesang Plaka ng studio, and ang studio na tingnan sa Torado, pasok sa Pagpanilan, studio. Asisa, and ang Kiki, Signal Gabay, Kiki now, Lokay sa Sigar, Kiki, pass, Tuhakon, pass sa studio, 10 seconds to shoot. Gusto niya now, pass sa Hakon, siya pass sa studio. And now, Kiki, 3 seconds to shoot. Hakon, well, to 7, lima ang kanamangan ng Barangay Palansay. 4 minutes mo na to. And now, Alec, Tantayan 3. Studio, closing to the midcourt. Gusto niya now, pingaras kay Alec, pasok Kiki, Kiki now, attacking, shot! Ibang kabang yung studio, gusto niya now, tapping! Sa pito, ang kalamangan ng Barangay Palansay. And now, Alec, to Dorado. Dorado now, Lokay sa Sigar, pasok ang Tayana, pasok Alec. Isang, Alec now, tackle! And now, Kiki, isang katinaw, pasok ang Tayana. Ibang kabang Tayana. Isang katinaw now, Lokay sa Sigar, pasok Dorado. Dorado now, Dorado, Dorado, atake, studio, gusto niya now, Marte. Brado, palabasin mo yung dalawang pisik sa kayo. Tama. Yung dalawang pisik sa kayo.
Ay, bago tayo sa isda. Okay na yan?
Hamon, Johnson! 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. And now, Alec, pasok. Orenya. Tupas, attacking, shot! And now, Custodio, closing to the midcourt. Custodio now. Pasok Kiki. Kiki now to Custodio. Isang Custodio now. Jump! Akyat sa shot ng kalamangan ng Barangay Palansay. And now, Alec Lokay sa Sigar. Alec now. Naghahanap pa pasahan. Turado. Attacking! Shot! And now, Custodio. Custodio na pingaras sa Orenya. Custodio na Lokay sa Sigar. Hakon na pinagpanan! Pinagpanan! Dalawa. And now, Alec. Wala na siya. Wala. Ibang madalan. Alec. Isang Alec na kapag-gol. And now, Kiki. Pass to Custodio. Custodio now closing to the midcourt. Isang Custodio now. Rally shot! Out! Ibang madalan Orenya. Orenya now to Alec. Attacking! Shot! Ibang madalan Kiki. Kiki now to Custodio. Custodio now to Kiki. Signal Gabay. Isang Kiki now. It's a legal. Alec now. Pass to Orenya. Orenya now to the ball. Orenya na trap pass to pass. What an estimation between 21. 59 seconds remaining. Barangay Balansay. 15 seconds remaining. And now, Alex is in the play. Isang Alex pass to Orenya. Orenya now. Pass. Ito ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. 20-13. And now, Pinasa. To Gustudio. Isang Gustudio now. To Alex in the center. Up. Alawit ilaw kay Martin. Martin now to Alex. Isang to Orenya. Orenya now. Pass to Alex. Alex now. Control the ball. Aldaw, terlepas Orenya, atake, isap. Beban Mabel, Meda Perkasa. Beban Mabel, Orenya, pas to Alif. Aldaw terlepas ke Mate, Mate, bola set up, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Five. And now the 10 now, Tagati, Jot, Iban Bagel Gustudio now, Tuhapon, Tagati, ang alamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now, Alec control the ball, Alec, tupas, Jot, Iban Bagel Gustudio now, and now, Alec, attacking, Gustudio, and now, Alec, in the three-point territory. Ethan Aldaw, lepas to Martin. And now, Alec to Martin. Tap. Boy side. Second personal foul. Second free throw. 27-16. Labing sa kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And ang Kiti na 3-point territory. Isirang Kiti. Gustudio. Tuhalon. Check on by Marte. To Alec. Aldaw. Pass to Orenya. And now Orenya. Second penalty out. Diban Badan Gustudio. Watiro now. Tuhalon. Isang hati now. Watiro check on by Orenya. Orenya now checking. Second quarter. And now Watiro. The 3-point ready. Watiro now. Pass to Halon. Isang hati now. Gun shot out. Halon again. 8 seconds to shoot. And now Gustudio. 29-17. And now Alec control the ball, crossing to the midcourt. He's getting it in the wing. And now Hakanao. Pass to Gustudio. He has 31-17. Labing apat ang laman ng Barangay Balansay. And now Orenya.
Malabang.
Isang Orenya now. Second and final throw. Is in. Hanggon now to Gustudio. Line shot. Yes on. And now Alec now to Marte, to Dantena, Orenya, Marte, out, Marte is in. 32-20. Dalawa, ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Watiwat, Gustudio now, Tiazon, Canton. And now Gustudio, pass to Watiwat now, check ball, balik alit, isa na rin now, Charlie Gantera, 12 alamang ang Barangay Barasay. And now, Watiwan, pass to Bustillo. Bustillo now, nagkatingin ni ready. Pass to Halcon. Halcon now, to Bustillo. Ranger, 34 to 20. 14 ang kalamangan. And now, Ali, nagkatingin ni ready. Ali now, Orena. Pass to the Tayan Dali. Time! And now, Harun. And now, Ali, the defense treasury. Ali now, the pass to Mate. To Orena. Orena now. Tayan to center. 34. 6 minutes more for second quarter. And now, Bustillo with the ball. He's in Bustillo. Take ball. And now, Harun. Attacking. Diaz to Orena. Orena now. Pass to Tayana. Pass to Gomez. Gomez now. Attacking. Good. Ibang kabilang. And now, Diaz. Diaz now. Attacking. Good. Ibang kabilang. Gomez. To Bustillo. Bustillo now. Attacking. 36 to 27. Akyat sa dyan ang kalamangan. And now Dantera, control the ball. Dantera, pass to Diaz. Diaz to Mate. 36 to 29. And now Bustillo. Gomez. Harun. Levanta ng Dantera. Dantera now. Charlie Bustillo. 36 to 31. 36 to 31. Yes. Second try. 4 minutes and 30 seconds only. Ito ang kalaman ng Barangay Barasay. And now Marte. Diaz. Diaz now. Check ball by Titi. Pass to Bustillo. Takot General. Isang Bustillo now. Check ball by Diaz to Marte. Marte now. Attacking. And now Titi. The three-point ready. Titi now. Isang Titi now. Pinagchat na pass. Check ball by Marte. Dantera na. Dantera now. Check ball. By Gomez. To Titi. Titi now. To Harun. Charlie. Check. And now Titi. Bustillo. Out. Ibang kapin. Alta ng ball. Isang attacking. Check. Ibang kapin. Gomez. To Titi. Isang Titi now. 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Ali, pili ka dyan. Check. Ibang kapin. Gomez. Gomez now. And lift up. And now Titi crosses to the midcourt. Signal the play. Titi now. Pass to Harun. Titi now. Pass to Harun side. Good. Ibang kapin. Ibang Dantera. Lift up. 33. Baba sa 5. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Barasay. Hindi. Loki si Sider. Pass to Bustillo. Attacking. Up. Levanta ng Orena. Orena now. Control the ball. The left handed. Isang Orena now. Lift up. Salan. First line. Orena si. Baba sa 4. Ang kalamangan. 38-34. Orena. Second and final throw. By Orena. And now Titi, the three-point level. Titi now is carrying the play. 38-35. Edaw Kite kontra gol. Running shot. Out. Edaw rebound ng Studio. Pera out.
Gol!
Edaw Kite the 3-point territory. Champion. Out. Rebound natin Martin. Martin now. Torreña. Torreña kontra gol. Signal the play. Pass to Balboa. Balboa now. Drop pass. Orenya, take goal. Right. Situation. Buang shot. Usudo. Coba. Edaw Usudo. 40, 35, 5 ang kalamangan ng barangay Balansay. Edaw Orenya, pass to Dantayana now, run shot, out. Rebound ba doon ng Studio, pass to Kiki down, run shot, Edaw Orenya to Dantayana to Balboa now, take goal, Balbusuno to Busuno now, Karin Quintana, pass to Plaza ng barangay Balansay. Edaw Alit, nagkapataki, pass to Dantayana in the right side, drop pass to Cueto, Martin now, lumayo si Singer, Martin to Cueto, to Dantayana now, run shot, Pedraza na kontra ni gol. Isang Pedraza. Paso Yanson. Edaw Kini. Isang Kini na. Wala siya sa Pedraza. 44 seconds remaining. 46 to 37. Edaw Alit. Paso Dantayana. Back to Alit. Alit now. To Dantayana. Lumayo si Silver. Paso Alit na Shot. Rebound natin ang Studio. Studio po Studio. Studio na ako pa gol. 25 seconds remaining. 48 to 37. Seconds remaining. 20 seconds. Illegal pick. Edaw Hakon to Studio. Isang gusto niya pinalasay Alit. Gusto niya to Alit. At sabi yung bayan. Sa kanyang bahay. Edaw Dantayana. Marte. Cueto. Paso Alit. Alit daw sa kanyang play. Paso Orenya. Pwede na siya. Shot. Edaw Marte. Tabingin sin. 41-48. Baba sa pito. Ang alamangan ng barangay Balansay. Happy viewing to at Endel Bernardo. Nandiyan sa sulok. Edaw Alit. Cueto. The play-by territory. Kiti. Up. Rebound natin. Edaw Dantayana. Paso Alit. Edaw Dantayana now. Tumatay ka center. Up. Rebound natin. Edaw Mataki. Tapos. Alit again. Up. Up. Edaw Cueto. Edaw Cueto. To Dantayana. Single. 13 seconds. Grabe rin kayo siya. Edaw Kiti. Signal na play. Yun. Run shot. Check goal. Last Alit to Marte. Marte now. Pass to Alit. Left it up. 48 to 43. Baba lima, ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Ito ang gusto nyo. At tualit at ibang badalan. Ito ang alit at ating reset. Tatlo, ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. 8 minutes mo na. Third quarter po tayo. Third quarter. Halcon. Gomez. Pinarasay Alit. Halcon. Kini. Tukusuno. Tusuyaw. Ranjak. Up. Ikaw Gomez. Kiki round. Halcon. Gabi. Shot. Ibang batang kwento. Ikaw. Iisip ng Alitaw. Paso ng pera. Back to Alit. Alitaw. Control. Mate! 48! 47! Isa na lang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Ayun na, full studio. Pasok kini, Pagtong studio. Gusto ginawa. Pasok hanggon. Isa na lang gol to Gomez. Gomez now. Tapasok ang studio. Tapin! Point 50 to 47. Akyat sa tatlo. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Ito Alit, Patrick Territory, Paso Dantera now, Paso Alit, Isang Alitaw, control the ball, Alitaw, drop pass, control, ito Gomez, Kustudio now, Tuhan first try, ski. Kasalukuyan po ang umiikot at ang camera, naghahanap ng pace of the night. Sponsored by Bukal, Mangen, Masakay, Edaw, Alit, Tapin, 51 to 49, Isan Gomez, Gomez, runs up, Gomez again, Alit, Edaw.
51-49.
Race line, 52-49. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Second try. 52-49, 6 minutes mo na. Edaw Alit, crossing to the midcourt. Yarikaw, control the ball. Alit, Tomate. Oraya. Palat. Edaw Pantera. Tomate. Martinao, Alit in the center, receive. 52-51, baba sa isa, kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Ito, Custodio, control, Custodio, Kiki, para sa Gomez, Gomez out, Tabasay, 54-51, 6 minutes more for the third quarter. Ito, Alit, Tabasay, the first in the score, all 54. 5 minutes more. And now Kusuni. Kini to Gomez. Gomez out to Kini. To Kustudio. Attacking. Shot. Ibang Mangen. Kustudio again. 56-54. Barangay 2 versus Barangay 6. Ang ating next game. But, Edaw Alit to Oraya. Oraya to Alit Tapi. Shot! Ibang batang Dantera. Dantera now, control ball. Dantera, pass to Alit. 7 seconds. Dantera now, Tapi. Shot! Edaw Alit. Dapat quarter na yan, dapat quarter. And now Kitty, crossing to the midcourt. Kitty now. Pass. Gomez, check on. By Martin. Martin now. To Alit. Alit now, control the ball. 4 minutes po na. 57-56. Yan ang isang panay. Check on. And now, Custodio. Custodio now. Anton. Shot. And now, Alit. Alit. Custodio. 58, 51, 57. Isa ka naman ng barangay. Chekol. Nagpili. Paso Hakon. Hakon. Lesa out. Isa tigraw. Lesa. 59-57. Ng barangay Darasay. And now Alip, the 3.33. Tatera! Bam! 61-60. Isa ka naman. And now, Custodio. Atake! Maganda din ang Alip. Alta ko pa doon. Iisip mo ng Alip. Atake! Para ka natin! Tabinan! Alipon! Alip! Tabinan natin! 62-61. Itinaw proses na namin po. Itinaw luming sa silver. Pasto Hakon. Osuyo. And the center. All 63. All 63. And Alip crossing to the midcourt. Alikaw, amang tuwa ng defense. Sinapay kay Barangay Darasay. And Alip. Trapas. Orena! Nalalakiwan by Gomez. Paso Osuyo. Osuyo now. Atake! And Barangay Osuyo. And now Alip crossing to the midcourt. Alikaw, tingnan sa Ircon. 15 seconds to shoot. And now Martin, Jackie. 65-64. And now Piggy, the 3.33, going to 60 there. Now, tingnan sa Alip, and Tanzania. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Piggy, Ransha, 65. Palitan natin ito. Lamang naman ngayon ang isa sa langit na Darasay. Eh daw Alip tumate. Pasok. Okay na. Isa na rin na kapatid. Pasok na lang tayo. Lantaya now. Pasok sa kwento. Kwento now. 7 seconds to shoot. Eh daw Alip kapatid. Gomez. Eh daw Kitty. The 3.30. Kicking out. Pereira shot. Out. Gomez. 2 minutes for 68-65. Tatlo. Ang kalaman ng Barangay Darasay. Ngayon ang Alip signal the play. Isip Alikaw Pagol. Alip. Lantaya Pagol. Ranjat. Korea Pagol. 68-67. Hakon dari Lantaya. Ang galing. Hakon. Serenay. Up. 68-67. 1.8 by Barangay Darasay. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. And now Barangay signal the play. Oray na now. Pasok. Ay, pinatay. Levantaron tinggi. Itinaw. Pasok Osuyo. Isang Osuyo. Atake! 70-67. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Medal Lantaya. Tupas. The side. Up. Medal Pagkamparan Hakon. Hakon now. To Gomez. Isang Kitty. Osuyo. 15 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 5 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Darasay. 72-67. And now Kitty now. Okay na. 14 seconds remaining. 14 seconds. And now Alip to dribble. Argao. Pasok ang Tena. Chapati! Bang! 72 to 70. 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. Harmon! Bang! 23 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. Lima ang kalamangan ng Barangay Panasay. 75-70. And now, Alec, listen up, isin! 10 seconds! 10 seconds! And now, moving to the ball. Rise up! Up! And now, tupas! Kamali! Play! And now, Skera. To Orenya. Orenya na control the ball. Isang Orenya. Rise up, isin! 75 to 74. Isa ang kalamangan ng Barangay Panasay. And now, Pitinaw. Pinakasay. And now, Custodio. Turn out! Out! Lewat badan Orenya. Orenya akan gol. Kiri, putar gol. Pass to Custodio. Custodio. Gomez. Rise up. Offensive pass. Nine seconds. And now Esquera. Runs up. Zing! 76 to 75. Lamang ng isang Barangay. 4. And now Kili, the 3.30. Custodio out, Custodio in. Lamang ng dalawa ang Barangay Panasay. 78-76. 8 minutes more to go for the fourth and final quarter. And now Dantayana. Isa ng Dantayana to 3.33. Dantayana pass to Esquera. And 8 seconds to shoot. Two pass out. Rebang badan Custodio. And now Esquera to Martin. And now two pass to Orenya. Orenya with the ball. Berpas, two pass, swing. All 78. All 78. Now to Kiti. Isa Kiti. Pass to Hakana. Shot. Rebang badan Martin. Martinao to Orenya. Isa Orenya crossing to the midcourt. Signal the play. 15 seconds to shoot. And now Orenya. And now Tupas to the Tena. And now Kiti crossing to the midcourt. Kiti now signal the play. Isa Kiti running shot in the center. Shot. Rebound badan Tupas. Esquera to the Tena. The Tena now crossing to the midcourt. The Tena now long receiver to the big man Martin. Martin now pass to Orenya. 10 seconds to shoot. Orenya now take ball by Alec. Isang Alec now take ball by Esquera. Esquera now to Orenya. Isang Orenya now crossing to the midcourt. Orenya now signal the play. 7 minutes more to go for the fourth and final quarter. And now Dantayana. Two pass. Orenya. 5 seconds. Take ball by Alec to Custodio. Custodio now. Listen up. 80 to 78. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Barangay Panasay. And now Dantayana. In the 3-point territory. Dantayana now. Binaras by Kiti. 10 seconds. And now Tupas kontra ball. Tupas now. 5 seconds. Kiti now crossing to the midcourt. Kiti now pass. Halcon in the lead. 83 to 78. Lima ang kalamangan ng Barangay Panasay. Edaw Arik control ball. Arikaw, nice out. Ibang gagawin ng studio. Gusto niya control ball. Isang gusto niya na sila ng iskera. Tungkol studio. Gusto niya na. Hindi na. Atake. Atake. Shot. Ibang gagawin ng pera. Dantera. To Alex sila na gabi. Arikaw, crossing to the midcourt. 15 seconds shoot. Edaw ang pate. To Alex. Tupas. Ang kanet. Isling. 83 to 80. 5 minutes for the 5 minutes for the Edaw Custodio. Crossing to the midcourt. Custodio. To Hanggon. Isang Hanggon. Pasok ini. 10 seconds shoot. Isang Kitinaw. 5 seconds. Hanggon. Custodio. Alex. Keranao. To Alex crossing to the midcourt. Tatlo. Ang kalamangan ng Barangay Banansay. 83. 80. Edaw Arikaw ang ball. Alex Ranchard out. Tibi. Jump. 85-20. Isang magandang po sa ating kapitanan ng Barangay 6. Honorable Susan Bugat, magandang gabi na. Happy viewing. Edaw Orenya. The favorite delivery. Orenya now. Pass. Tupas. Edaw Custodio. Custodio. For the third, for the fourth and final quarter. Sa kagawan ng Barangay Banansay. Honorable Arnel Alpido. Number 1, 87. Isa na lang po ang tayo ng Barangay 4. Barangay Banansay, dalawa pa. Dantayana. Diaz. Diaz tutupas. Diaz in the 3. Bang! 87 to 83. Apat ang alamangan ng Barangay Banansay. Edaw Kiki. The perfect delivery. Kiki now sa kanila play. 14 seconds shoot. Kiki. Pwede na siya. 89. 83. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. For the fourth and final quarter. Edaw Dantera. Tupas. Marvin. Isang Marvin now. Antanet. 89-83. Barangay 2 versus Barangay 6. Ang ating next game. Ang last game natin. Barangay Payumpon versus Barangay Tayaman. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Out. Depan Pablo. Edaw Orenya. The present referee. Orenya now. Atake Lesa out. Lepas dengan keberjatan Custodio. Orenya. Pasto Dantera. Dantera pasto Marte. Marte now. Diaz lagi. Bang! 89-86. Babak sa tatlo ang alamangan ng Barangay Banansay. 2 minutes 35 seconds remaining. Edaw Kiki. The three-point delivery. Isang Kitinaw. Trapas. Orenya now. 603. Orenya. Pass to Dantera. Dantera ulang isisir. Pass to Marte. Baglaw control ball. Pass to Dantera. Edaw Custodio. It's a planning. Edaw Custodio. To Alex. Custodio. Ranchard out. Ibang Babylon. Last 2 minutes. Bantar yang Dantera. Diaz is a 3. Shot. Ibang Babylon Custodio. To Alex. Alex. And out ang pera. Pass sa Marte. Marte na, mag-control. Diyan pa sa Pasig. 89-88. Isa na lang ang alamangan ng Barangay Dalansay. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. And out Kitty, control the ball. Isa na Kitty. Diyan! 91-88. Dalawa, tatlo. Ang alamangan ng Barangay Dalansay. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. And Orenya, pagkakapigit na laban. Orenya, nice up. Gantala na. Orenya. Diaz, 5 seconds. And Kitty to the goal. Isang Kitty. Goal! Magandang tingnaw. 10 seconds. Kitty. Okay. Barangay Dalansay. Isa lang dapat na kanilo. Coach na po dapat. And out ang pera. Nilay sila Pasig. 93-90. It's out. Last 78 seconds. 93-90. 93-90. 94-90. Head out ang pera. Pass. Balboa. Gantala na rin. Out. Orenya, out. Ano, Castillo. Wala na tayo magpaparang po. Barangay Dalansay ng isa pa. Castillo. First try is out. 8 seconds. Castillo. 95-90. Algon.